Namaste, myself Kavishri from 6th grade. Today we are going to tell about relief features. The Indian landmasses displays great relief variations. The major relief divisions are the Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic plains, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plains, the deserts and the islands. The characteristics of that are related to the land space of specific area are known as the relief features. First one, the Himalayas. The Himalaya ranges are extended from west to east directions in the form of an arc. The length 2,400 kilometers and the width differences from 500 kilometers in the western region to 200 kilometers on central and eastern region. We are having three ranges of Himalayas: the Greater Himalayas, the Himachal and the Shivalik. The Greater Himalayas. The northernmost range is known as the Greater Himalayas. The Greater Himalayas are composed of snow and ice cover. The Himachal. The lower Himalaya ranges are also called as the Himachal. The major relief divisions are east to west mountain ranges in the elevation 3,700 to 4,500 meters. The Shivalik Himalayas. The Shivalik Himalayas are formed in the last stage of formation of Himalayas. The Indus River about 2,400 kilometers eastwards close to the Brahmaputra River. Second one, the Indo-Gangetic plains. The Indo-Gangetic plains are divided into three parts: the western part, the central part and the eastern part. The western part. The western part was formed by the Indus and its tributaries, the Jhelum, the Chenab, the Ravi, the Beas, the Sutlej, flowing on the Himalayas. The Indus River flows on the Pakistan. The central part. The central part is known as the Ganga Plain. The part spread in the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and partly in Haryana, Chandigarh and Himachal Pradesh. The eastern part. The eastern part is known as the Brahmaputra River. The Himalayan river, while flowing down, deposits gravel and pebbles sediments in the narrow belt of 8 to 16 kilometers width found parallel to foot hills of Shivalik. This feature is known as the Babar. So these all are perennial rivers because they flow continuously through the year. Thank you. Now my friend will continue.
Namaste, myself Ganesh from 6th grade. Question: in the southern part of Peninsular Plateau is bordered narrow strips along the Arabian Sea on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east. The western coast starts from Ran of Kutch and ends at Kanyakumari. Konkan coast, this touches to Maharashtra and Goa. Kendra coast, this is in the state of Karnataka. Malabar coast, it is in the state of Kerala. The eastern part are also divided into three parts. Utkal coast, it is in Odisha. Sirkaur coast, it is in Andhra Pradesh. Coromandel coast, it is in Tamil Nadu. Islands, there are two groups of islands: Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Andaman or Nicobar Island is elevation for the part running from the Askayochi. Lakshadweep Island total graduated area is 32 square kilometers. This group of island is famous for the great flora and fauna. Thank you. Now my friend will continue.
Namaste, myself Janu from 6th grade. The Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau in India is a large plateau region located in the southern part of the country. It is bordered by the Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats, North Satpura ranges. This plateau is composed of ancient crystalline rocks and hosts a varieties of landforms such as hills, valleys and plains. The desert. The Thar Desert is located in the leeward side of Aravallis and this is very little rainfall, raining from 100 to 150 millimeters per year. It has an arid climate with very low vegetation cover. Luni is the only river in this area. These internal drainage rivers fill into the lakes and do not reach the sea. Thank you.